Ayan, ulit tayo guys. Guys, hi everybody. So I'm here now in Mindanao. We are visiting the cousin of Tita Olivia here in Naawan, Misamis Oriental, and she's been married to British. So ayan yung house guys, ang ganda. Ayan. So ayan. Let's go. I'm gonna tour you around. Let's go, mother. So ayan yung aking camera woman is my mother. So ayan guys, tingnan nyo yung ano niya, yung property niya here in Mindanao is so very nice. So here, ang ganda. So ayan guys, so as you can see, marami siyang trees of, ayan ma, pakita mo coconut trees. Ano nga yung tawag dito ma, yung halaman na to, pampaswerte. So, ayan guys. So, I'm gonna tour you here sa property ni Madam Sidad. Ayan, si Tita Sidad. Ayan, let's go mother. Here's my mother, my camera woman, and the house there. And guys, i-tour ko lang kayo for a minute, no? So, this is a family cousins. So, ayan yung bahay. Ayan si mother. So, ayan mother. So, ito pala yung swimming pool na hindi na naalagaan, napabayaan. So, ayan mother. Ayan. Ginawa na lang nilang fish pond ba, no? Diba? They make it as a fish pond. So, ayan, nag-visit kami guys, ha? So, ayaw niya na. Ayaw niya nang mag-manage ng kanyang property kasi it's very stressful. Stressful siya. So, ayan. So, as you can see, nakalock siya. Nilagyan niya ng ano, kasi ayaw niya ipa-rent or ayaw niyang ipa. So, na-stress na si tita. Ayan, meron siyang duyan dito. Tapos, tingnan nyo guys, dinevelop naman sana nila noon. So here, this is Mabuhay. Hi puppy. So yan guys. Ayan si mother, nag-camera woman ko. So ayan guys. So pag maliligo kami dito, pero grabe naman, umuulan kasi guys, kaya sobrang laki ng alon. So it's dangerous for me. No, at saka medyo madumi kasi nga grabe yung ulan. So umuulan dito, guys. Guys! Ha? Pinaparent niyan. Ayaw niya, ano lang yan? Nakalak lang. Ha? Family bonding lang nila. So guys, tignan nyo, diba? Haggard ako, sorry, kasi sobrang ano dito. Sa Mindanao. Ayan, nasa dagat ako ngayon. Guys. So, call lang siya sa management. Ayan, sa kanila din yan, guys. You can see there. Ha? So, si Tita Sidad lang, mag-isang nakatira. So, it's not easy. Yeah, yung anak niya, no? Nasa UK. British nga, no? British. So, yung anak ni Tita Sidad, British. Half Briton. So, half Filipino. Okay? So, ayan guys. So, napansin nyo, hindi na siya, wala siyang maintenance. I mean, hindi na naalagaan yung even the swimming pool. Diba? So, ayan. For family vacations, like resorts na lang. I mean, resort house, no? Na lang nila, no? I mean, yan, halika mother! Alis na tayo, balik na tayo doon. After nating tour. Ayan yung may mga may mga puno siya guys, ayan. You can see, may mga puno. So, oo siya. Very nice, diba? So, if you have a property like this, like as a beach resort, so, ayan yung house sa dulo. So, marami pong ano guys, marami pong mga beach resort for sale here in my place in Mindanao. Actually, nag-check kami. Ha? So, just beside this area, so beside ng wall na yan is, I think for sale, like 18 million pesos. Okay, so, luwang yan. Sulit naman. If you will do it as your beach resort, pwedeng business, up to you. Ayan guys, pabalik na tayo. So yan, ang sarap dito guys. Peaceful talaga. Sobrang peaceful sa place namin. Very nice, no? Yun nga lang, kailangan magtrabaho ni BLG. No, kasi nga, may anak. I have son that I need to support. So, ayan guys, sobrang ganda ng ng property nila dito. So, hindi lang dinevelop ni Madam Sidad kasi for nagpapahinga siya. Isa lang yung anak niya, ma'am, di ba? Si Edward lang. So, si Edward just came home and then umalis na rin sa half British. Hindi kayo nagkita nun? Ayan si mother ko, guys. Ayan, may mga puno ng nyug. Very nice. Ayan. Mother, say hi to my vlog. Hi, that's my mother. Thank you for watching guys and see you on my next video. Bye for now. Bye mother. Bye.